we are in the another section in which we are just seeing out the spinning bases. Up till now, we have just completed up 40 questions, and now we will be seeing the feather questions. So it is. Let's start it by 41st question number. It is in matchups. So column A is to be matched with the spinning process are being used. So rayon is basically uses the wet spinning, and melt spinning is in so deep polyester. Our Kevlar fibers are being used by the dry jet wet spinning and ultra high molecular weight polyesters. It is used for the gel spinning purposes. So you can just match up the column, and now we will be seeing it out 42 number question. It is basically it if the 50 bills of 5 inches 20 bills of 3.5, it is 3.5, and 40 bills of 3 inches cotton fibers are being mixed and result in mega inches are being mixed cotton. So I have just written out your for yourself a formula. So the number of bills total will be 110, and p is equals to 5 by 110. 50 means p is equals to 50 number of bills upon 110 total number of bills into 5, and for p2 it will be 20 upon 110 into 3.5. For p3 it will be 40 upon 110 into 3, which comes around um 3 point something around. So you can be just calculated that. We are not wasting for that for the time. So next is the assertion and reasons. Assertion, compared to the ring spinning yarn, rotor spin yarn have better evenness for the same yarn count. Yes, it is the right one. The rotor spin yarn have more number of fibers in the yarn cross section comparison to the ring spin yarn of same count. More number of fibers in a yarn cross section for the ring spin yarns. No, the reason it is not up to. So you can just check it out. Whichever will be matchups. 43A option is the right option. The tendency of the carded lever, second draw, first draws lever, second draws lever, and combs lever. Um, for the carded lever, the tendency is the highest. For firstly draws lever, it is also up next to the carded lever, and for second, yes, it is on the order, proper order PQRS, means option number A is the right option. 45, it is matchups type of question, melt spinning, wet spinning, and dry spinning, and basically the association of techniques. So dry spinning, it is basically use the diffusion of the only solvents, and wet spinning, it is used for both the solvent and non-solvent. Yes, melt spinning is non-different. Means option number 45 C is the right option. Pilling resistance of rag yarn is higher than the open yarn rotor but lesser than the air jet. Resistant. Here we will be asked by the resistant. Air vortex yarn is higher than the ring yarn but lesser than the open end rotor yarns. Uh, it Let's see all the questions first of all. One end rotor yarn is higher than the ring yarn but lesser than the air vortex yarn. Yes, okay, let's see. Ring yarn is higher than the air vortex yarn but lesser for the open end yarn. Um, Option number, I think so. Option number C is the right option. Yes, option number C is the right. Open end rotor yarn is higher than the ring yarn but lesser than the air vortex yarn. The technology that produces the yarn with the minimum fiber migration in it is a rotor yarn. Straightforward question. Matchups, and in this we will be seeing up the techniques and twisting means if we will be warp rotor air jet and frictional spinning. Warp spinning it is doing the back doubling. It's option number 48A and D from both of them. Let's see it. Rotor yarn. Rotor spinning it is in hollow spindles. Hollow spindles, yes. So you can just air jet spinning. C1, C false twisting. No, air jet false gives the false twisting, but performative terms. Yes. C option number is common means it is 2. From gear frictional spinning it is 1 false twisting. Yes. 41th D option. It was a little bit complicated because of loss of knowledge about spinning methods. The spinning system in which one revolution of twisting elements imparts several turns to the fiber stands. It is frictional spinning. The yarn manufacturing technology that uses the perforated drums for the twisting. The yarn manufacturing technology that uses the perforated drums for the twisting is it is also ring spinning, rotor spinning, frictional spinning, manufacturing that uses perforated drums. Now yes, it is a frictional spinning. Uh, we need to be just a minute. It is I think so. There is an error in 48 number questions. So let's. I will be just doing it once for you. Warp spinning. It is warp spinning. Warp spinning method. It is basically used. So I doesn't have now the knowledge about the warp spinning. So we will be seeing it out for the next section. Rotor spinning. Rotor spinning. It is back doubling. Back doubling, it is there. I will be just 48 number questions. I just do not take any answer. I will be just putting up that answer in the comment box, or you should be comment this type of questions so that we will be sharing our knowledge together. If you just like this section, so like to the like click on the like button and share with the other kids students, textile kids students. Thank you.